Let's be honest, just saying sell digital products sounds easy until you try it. You've probably heard it all before. I've made one, but I don't know how to sell it. Isn't the market too saturated? I've got some ideas, but I'm not tech savvy. Can someone please explain what a digital product is? I hear these questions every day, and in this video, I'm actually going to answer them. I'm not going to give you any hyped up answers or vague advice. I'll give you a step-by-step plan that you can follow, even if you're brand new. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Shawn Shalise, and my channel is all about that ultimate quest of living your dream life. I help entrepreneurs start, grow, and scale businesses so they can live the life that they want to live and do it without being overwhelmed or burnt out. I'm also an Etsy seller who sold well over $300,000 in revenue, and I love helping new sellers turn their passions into profits. In my last video, we talked about creating offers that actually make you money. But an offer is only powerful if there's a product behind it. So today, we're going to talk about how to make that product. Here's why digital products are so powerful. They're low cost to make, there's no shipping, and once you create it one time, you can sell it over and over again. I know some people say it's not that easy, and they're right. Creating the product is one thing, but selling it, that's where most people get stuck. This video is about getting you over that first hurdle, so you have something to sell in the first place. Let's clear this up. A digital product is anything you can create once and sell online. No physical delivery required. Think about things like printable journals, Canva templates, checklists, digital planners, budget sheets, guides, and workbooks, or even simple plug-and-play templates. And let me stop you here. No. To create these, you don't have to be tech savvy. Most of these can be created using free tools you already have, like Canva or Google Docs. The first step in creating a digital product is figuring out what problem you're going to solve. Your product should help someone solve one simple problem. You're not trying to change their whole life overnight. You just want them to make one step forward. If you're thinking, I have a couple of ideas, I just don't know how to bring them to life, well, this is a part that gives your ideas structure. So ask yourself, what am I good at? What do people always ask me about? What shortcut or system am I familiar with that could help other people? Next, you're going to choose the format. Ask yourself, what's the simplest way to help someone solve this problem? Is it a one-page checklist, a short tutorial video, or a mini guide with step-by-step instructions? Now, I say this over and over in my membership group, but I need to say it here. Do not let perfection slow you down. You want to create a simple product that solves one problem. That's it. And now if you're thinking, but the market is too saturated, just remember this. Most people start but don't follow through. If you actually make something that's useful and clear, you're already ahead. Now it's time to outline your product. A lot of people get tripped up here because they think they need to write an entire book or create a whole course. You don't. Just list out the key steps that your audience needs to follow. Just keep it actionable and keep it simple. You're not trying to overwhelm them. You're trying to get them a result. So you might feel like your product is too simple, but in reality, it's exactly what your audience needs. Next, you're going to create it. You can use Canva for design templates and guides. You can use Google Sheets for trackers or budgeting tools. And you can use Notion or Trello for planning tools or systems. And again, yes, you can do this even if you're not techie. Now, I'm going to be real with you. If you're on a laptop and it makes you want to throw it out the window, this might not be for you. But if you can send a text, if you can use your laptop and use things like Google Docs or Words, you're good to go. The product you're creating doesn't have to be fancy. It just has to work. Once your product is ready, you need a way to deliver it. Now, this can be a direct download from your Stan store. It can be a delivery link from your email, or it can be a simple PDF that you host on your Google Drive. Now, this is where I hear this all the time. I made a product, but I don't know where to sell it. Where do I even list it? Where do I find people that want to buy it? We're going to cover that in a separate video. But if you want a shortcut that's going to show you how to create and sell your first digital product, then stick with me. Let's talk about some of the mistakes people make that leave them stuck. The first one is overthinking every detail. Don't do this. Make a simple product and release it. You can always tweak it or make it better later. Which leads me to my next one, which is trying to make it perfect before you launch. You're not going for perfection, you're going for done. Next is not having a plan for where or how you're going to sell it. You need to know who your audience is and how they want to receive the product. And then another biggie is thinking that it has to be complicated in order to be valuable. The simple things are the most valuable because people will actually be able to use them and not be overwhelmed or confused when they get it. Another thing I want you to remember is you don't need 10,000 followers in order to sell your digital products, and you don't need to use paid ads when you're just getting started. And you definitely don't want to spend months creating something that nobody asked for. You want to start small and then listen to your audience and solve their problem. Remember, you're not creating this for you, you're creating this for them. If you've been sitting on an idea and you're ready to actually turn it into a product, I've got something that will help you take action today. It's called the Digital Product Starter Toolkit, and it walks you step by step through the entire process. Inside, you'll get templates you can customize, video tutorials that walk you through everything, and a guided planner that helps you bring everything to life without you having to second guess every step. You can grab it right now by clicking on the link in the description. Let me know in the comments what type of digital product you want to create. I'd love to cheer you on and maybe even give you some ideas. If this video helped, give it a like and be sure to subscribe because you don't want to miss the next video where I show you how to actually start making sales and build your customer base. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, which is always right here. I'll see you over there.